Alright, today I have no particular goal except get as far as I can. I'm going to start with getting the bottom of this triangulated up to the back of my frame. Alright, I'm going to try and shoot that boop, up to here-ish. So, let's see. Next, we need our tube and we need to cut it proper angle and length. Alright, that ought to do. Pretty much I'm out of flat stock, so I'm going to make some real quick. Now I got these, I'll clean them up with a grinder to be nice flat plates. Alright, so now let's figure out where I want this. I want it like that. Alright, let's get this one welded on and then we'll fit the other side. Alright, so this one's welded up. I don't know how good it is yet. It's too hot to really handle, so let's get it out of the way. Let's let it cool. And then let's do the one for the other side. Alright, so I got the other one welded up. It's over there cooling. Now let's get an idea of this other bracket. So if this is going to go here like this, I'm obviously, we'll put it right there. Now it's going to need something here to mount to, right? So that's what we're going to work on next. All right, and that ought to do. Now let's see what this looks like. All right, so this end welds down here. This goes here. And that's gonna weld on there. Boom, look at that. And that'll be how you attach this. So now this section here, both ends are gonna be ready to weld. I'm probably gonna do, I don't know which side first, but I'm gonna do one first and then the other. All right, so they're both formed, they're both drilled. The next thing I wanna do is make them somewhat pretty. So let's do that. And that one's ready to weld. Now I just need to weld those in. All right, so now I got this welded in. These are welded on. All right, well, I messed with that brake a little bit. I moved the cable. I found some spots. It's going to be super tight, but the best spot is going to be on the bottom of the swing arm, upside down. Even though you're not going to be able to bleed it that direction, That's going to be the best spot for it. So, that being said, can't do much with the brake caliper on there. I'm going to have to do a little trimming on the arm and then some drilling to fit. So I need the arm off of there. In other words, I can't do it put together. So, since I can't do it put together, it's time to tear this thing apart. There we go. Whew. There we go. There we go. All right. Whew. So, I gotta do some work to that swing arm still. Main thing, I wanna do this because flipping and doing this and getting this painted before the snow flies, because it's so big. Swing arm, the axle, all these little bits, they're all right. I could do them when if it's not too bad out. This guy, so much paint, I'm gonna need so much room around it. I don't want to fill this place with green, so gotta do it before the snow falls. Which it's October right now, so getting there. Let's see. I think I've only pieces I gotta still take off now. Them latches. All right, and there you go. It's all stripped. Tomorrow we're gonna get it flipped. Well, we're gonna start welding things. I see some already that I could get. So I'm gonna look it over, we're gonna weld it, and then we're gonna start like rotating it and flipping it and get this all welded up. And then give it a scuff sandarooski. Mask off things, anything if it needs to be masked, and then start painting. I want to have this sucker green in no time. That's cool. All that time to build it, took me that long just to take it apart. Not bad, half a day. At least I made it all workable. Now I hope I remember how everything goes together. Buff it up, 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 buff